In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Philips TV isn't turning on. Okay, for the first step, what we have to check is if there is an LED light which is turned on, because this is really, really important. If there is no LED light, then you have like problem with the power cable or something. Here you see this on this TV, we have like here this red light which is turned on. So this is really, really important. If not, then check like your power cable, unplug the TV, wait like 2 minutes and plug it in again. Okay. This is really, really important. And if you have like a blinking light here, blinking red light or something, then you also have to check like the power cable. Sometimes it is a bit dirty or something, or it is not plugged in the right way. So what we have to do is that we check this. Okay, and after we have checked this, then we can try if it is the fault of the remote here. So sometimes the remote is like empty or something. So what we can do is that we here open the remote up and change like the battery. So what we also can do is that we go here into our mobile phone camera, press and hold the button, and then you should see like a flickering light here on the front of the TV remote. This is not on every remote, but some remotes have this, that you see like here the flickering light. So if there is like a flickering light, this is really, really good, because then it sends signals to the TV. So then also make sure that there is nothing in front of the TV which can block the signal from the remote. Okay, and after we have checked this, then we can also try to turn on the TV manual. So if we have like a button here, a power on button under the TV, and we can easily press this, and sometimes then the TV starts. And when the TV starts with the manual button, then you have to buy a new remote or something, because then the remote is like broken. Okay, and if this also doesn't work, then we can try to unplug every single device we have plugged in the TV. So if you have like here plugged in HDMI devices or USB devices, then unplug everything, because sometimes these devices can block this signal or like the power here for the TV. So unplug everything, and after that your TV should start again. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.